Hello guys, today we will unbox this product which I buy from Amazon Prime, and this product is from Eacam, which is a wireless remote which you can use for television, set-top box and any other personal computer which you are using right now. And the spec of this item is it's a 2.4G wireless connection required for this, and 2.5G wireless connection via USB receiver. This have include USB which you will put in your product, and it will you are good to go. Just plug and play. Enjoy long range wireless control which can be up to 10 to 15 meters long, and it's a 6x sensor. It's enable you to sense the change to direction and speed, and just move in the air, and it accurately control the device. Third, it's have a 46 key minimum keyboard. Front side it's normal keyboard which have up and down, right and low and OK button, and voice detector, and volume up and down, and wireless mouse. When you click and you can do like this, and it's suitable for smart TV, Android box, and all-in-one PC which you have nowadays, and laptop projector. Just sit back and enjoy. So let's do the unboxing. Let's see what we are getting inside. You will not believe I'm doing these things in office. I hate them. Packaging. So this is the keyboard, empty box, and let's see what we are getting inside. It's very heavy. So this is cable for charging, which is type C, which is good thing, and dongle. It's plug and play, and this is the remote that we got. It's really impressive. You see, it's metal, and this is from Eacam. If you can see properly, and remove the plastic first so you will see better the keys which it has. This have power, play, everything, and this side you will see the keyboard. Hopefully you enjoy the unboxing. See you in next video. If you like this video, just don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for new upcoming videos. Thank you.